Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back. And today's video we're going to do a hair tutorial. If you like what I did, hello, I did this using just a needle and a thread, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's do it. We're gonna start off by combing our hair, making sure we get all the knots out. If you have full, thick, natural hair, this hairstyle will look amazing on you, I tell you. Then from combing, we go straight on, we part our hair from the front to the back. Yes, girl! From the front to the back.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
This is the hardest part right here, sectioning your hair. If you're wondering why I'm looking down, it's because I'm using the mirror on my lap. Normally when I do my hair, I work with two mirrors, one in front and one in the back. So yeah, after sectioning my hair, I do my contours so that I can keep my lines down. And don't worry, I know this line isn't perfect, but I'll fix everything as I go. What are you waiting for, ladies? Have you subscribed? Please do share this video and leave a comment below. At the end of this video, I do have good news for you. Whoop whoop, so keep watching. Don't forget, we're doing the thread flat twist, and all you're going to need is a needle and a thread. And when you start, you want to have two threads, one running from the back of your head to the front and the other just hanging down. And the second piece of thread is the one you're going to use to thread. Now, before I give you step-by-step details of how we're going to do this, I want you to pay close attention, okay? This is what I want you not to do. When you do thread your hair, I want you to place your needle in this direction as opposed to this direction. Also make sure the threading is not too close together or too far apart, otherwise the style won't hold for long. Like this line that I'm working on is a perfect demonstration of what not to do.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up when they gon' rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Already by the feel of my fingers, I can tell that this line is very loose and won't hold for long. Now remember what I said about spacing out your lines, okay? Alright, now we repeat the steps again, only this time we're gonna do it right. Step number 1, you comb up your hair, remove all knots and tangles. Step number 2, you thread your needle and make sure you have one thread running from the back to the front of your hair. And the second thread, that's what you're going to use to thread down your twist. Now smash that like button if you like this video and make sure it reaches a larger audience like you in need of hair inspiration. Now where's that music at, baby? Where's that music? Woo!
On your boss, don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I can't could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity.
When you're done with the twist, just wrap the thread around your hair to make sure it's nice and secure. At this point, I'm starting to feel numb. My arms are killing me. I'm so tired, but we keep going. Yes, girl.
Out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight.
Okay, now I'm just wondering what I'm gonna do with this line. I don't know why I left it out, but I guess inspiration will just come and sweep me off my feet. Let's leave this one for now and get to the last line. Wait, have you subscribed? Hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you like it and share it with all your friends.
They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost.
With this bit of hair, I decided to contour it down and add a little bit of flavor.
One day at a time is how you operate a cadence.
Boy, these arms are killing me.
Foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Ladies and gents, this video is about to come to an end, and as promised, I will deliver the good news. It is my pleasure to recognize and thank each and every one of you for my first video has reached 1,000 views. Without you guys, this wouldn't have been possible, and I am forever grateful. This is not only just my success, but your success as well. If you want to be a part of this family and support me and my growth, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you may be notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you so much. I cannot say thank you enough. And yeah, let's get back to the video. Girl, I surprise myself sometimes. Check that out. Talk about transformation from 0 to this baby. Yeah.